Understanding the phrase, "You're egging me on." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English phrase, "You're egging me on." This expression can be quite confusing for English learners, so we're here to clear things up. Stick around to learn not just what it means, but also how you can use it in everyday conversations. To egg someone on is to encourage or urge someone to do something, often something risky, foolish, or troublesome. The key here is that the encouragement is towards an action that might not be the best idea. Interestingly, the word egg in this phrase has nothing to do with the eggs you might eat for breakfast. Instead, it comes from an Old Norse word, eggja, which means to incite or to provoke. The phrase, egging someone on, has a rich history, tracing back to the use of the word egg as a verb in Middle English. It originally meant to edge or to incite, closely related to the edge of a blade, perhaps indicating how one might be pushed towards an action. Understanding this can help you appreciate the depth of the phrase and its somewhat aggressive undertone. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to use "you're egging me on" in everyday conversation. Example 1. I wasn't going to participate in the prank, but my friends kept egging me on, so I joined in. Example 2. He was hesitant to take the leap, but his brother egged him on until he finally did it. Notice how in both examples, the phrase is used to describe someone being persuaded to take an action they were initially unsure about. It's important not to confuse egging someone on with simply supporting or encouraging them in a positive manner. This phrase always has a nuance of encouragement towards something that might not be entirely wise. So, think carefully about the context before using it. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of "you're egging me on" and how you can use it correctly. English is full of intriguing phrases like this one, and understanding them can make your communication more effective and nuanced. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon.